E two comedians are Ghana for no ave comedy actually Ralph DeFellow Ghanaians. Efa ensem your beka ye. Abra na IshowSpeed. Ewa Ghana ha dem na okoye chire no Ralph ebe chire nsem bi mu. De nti okoye sa the Ghana for say na sabi akwa we wa boda mo na. Dey asem kre. Ralph bibia rent triwa na say na adwemu kan. Ede na go so Ghana ha dem sa. Omo ave clash with Ralph. Mema nchiri mu no akire wa adwen ama me. Ewo comment section. I Penyah block media. Mesro say ni di mo. Over like video, not that one, put a subscribe button, send back click notification, latest updates. Now, better why you never comment section. So, Baswa, not your first any be after. So, it was exactly a week today. And IshowSpeed, American brand IshowSpeed, Darren Jr. Waxing Jason, Oba Ghana had as Oba Cry Man, Ghana local name because Ninchi Efri Akropon. It didn't call an menu. I will have a command local name as in Dino. I am very much Kufu as a dinner. I had the park now. Or boarding on many occasions. Now, during the live program in Ghana, during the tour in Ghana, they had no call Independence Square. Now, honor out of nowhere, who said Ralph DeFellow Ghanaians, Abba Honor. Now, Ralph, as only engaging in a heating argument to be near the other.
Relax. Do you see it? No, where he was buried?
This needs to be right here. He needs to be right here.
I was not obeying my someone now Ralph first work can cast obeying now Ralph first or but right after the program now IshowSpeed I call back now I did cheer and now Ralph ebe a live program now live no be chire mu say the entire call home nyina say who say IshowSpeed over 50 million subscribers across the world. It all person using the platform no advocating for the change of Kotoka International Airport. They say Dino. Name for men Kwame Nkrumah Airport.
Speed has over 50 million followers, yeah? And most of the African Americans that follow him, we need a campaign. We need a campaign to be able to achieve that name Kotoka to be taken out of our. And I wanted to use that opportunity and use his platform to advocate for that. At that moment,
so we're not cool because I wow.
No. You see, there are. What I'm saying, there are times where like there were a lot of conversations that went on. Most of you guys didn't even see.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there are a lot of conversations. It was off camera, inside the hotels, like a lot of places where cameras no day way questions they go on. But that time, if me, I know say I do that thing, like my camera guy would there the conversation, it they record. But one thing for the guy where I can't see, they say it can't do in content. It be content sick of it can't hear. You don't be say they can't project Africa. No. It be fully content it can't do. So they say as they move, in the monitor in tweet, people then they watch them live. If they watch in screen, like how many people they that be what be intended they do. When we went to the Bukom there, was it Bukom? Maybe boxing.
Yeah. Oh no, if he be Bukom.
Is it Jamestown, right? No, we went to one place as well. You could do one, right? There no, it one box. If box finish, one girl be two cameras inside say
you won't fight them.
Yeah, it tells you you do intend finish.
Yeah, time is gone. Yeah.
Right. So Charlie is like that. Even that point, me, and the people that did the Kwame Nkrumah Museum there, the man that did they go attest to this. Say it be me. Even you see that in Fair Bodyguard. If you watch the cameras, I don't know if that time they had been live, like you go here for the boys. I say you saw, like I told you that I'm going to make him take the picture because this is the iconic place that he needs to take this picture.
Yeah.
And I did it deliberate. At that time, what the Maya South, they make frustrated. He left, say, Charlie, the chaos he did there be too much give him.
Yeah.
So, Charlie, I do my thing. Where you people, he did it. Oh, yeah. I said,
when
he's the
whatever
manager.
thing they do, need the people they talk. The frustration is
Oh,
what
okay,
you've just confirmed.
okay. So
That'd be what you've confirmed, which is you actually tried your best, say, or meet me ama akola
which
na
I picked
why you
that time in Chroma State University.
now ako because then the open or person
Exactly.
See how you say
Because
something
Wabagana, you went to the you went to the one of the iconic places, which of course I never saw even any video when Omko Independence Square on. Say Odina Akenon. The only video I saw was the Okoye backflip on the wall.
I was star
last time was wrong.
Yeah.
But the Independence Square Akenon me who so try. And I don't know if and I can't blame the people who like Wademaya and the team as well. Because for him, do you know person oye? And yet you will buy better and say no, and count on only the end the oye. You understand? So I think that I think that he was if Inka or on that a cone will be the Independence Square stand the 8 a.m. in the morning, no. As I go, no, I get 2 questions. Then me, I won't go ask them in portraying or selling Africa. Yeah. The first question: after 2 weeks, 1 or 2 weeks that you've spent in Ghana, what is the experience? And I want you to be real with me. What can you tell the African Americans your experience in Africa, apart from what you have been taught?
Yes.
To have been believed about Africa. First question. And this, when you watch most of his videos, you realize that a lot of African Americans are commenting that you giving us a different look about Africa. We never knew Africa was this beautiful. We never knew Africa was da. We never knew Africa is this.
Yeah,
so
there's
I'm
been
like,
a lot of that. Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, I think what Nigeria people go do, I am the best interviewer, and what is your age? And hey, 21 years and you look young and fresh. No. If I get the opportunity to get closer to him, this be what I will ask. Then the second question. You flew into Ghana through Kotoka International Airport. Can you tell me a little bit of history about Kotoka, which I know he wouldn't know. And he would tell me that I don't know nothing about him, right? And I would tell him, JFK in the US was named after a hero, John F. Kennedy, who was once a president of the United States of America. Kotoka is a traitor and somebody who actually eliminated the first president, or who was part of the people who orchestrated and eliminated the person who took independence for this country. Do you think he deserved to be named after the
Obi agba ne be program eho ana o ka se ene me the platform e ko advocate say yemfa asesa Kotoka din no ade asem krani ade asem ni Ralph ade asem ni na saadi we no ade za comedians aboyisi dey be Ralph about them Ralph adwenye it almost have a clash with him.
I show speed that day. Me and Cassano any payment penance because Ghana for the soon same Ralph no more Ralph no Sam boy Ralph no ko gina Rich Hospital now so dey edanu ya moto kan ne bo ho kakra ne nim pre ketua bi okọ target president Mahamat Sanya president ni dwuma bi di wonan ahwatere kakra o target president Mahamat be your since when the president Mahamat e be ye wo ayi wo personal nurse and now personal doctor na boy show speed in China. You know what I am saying. You know what I am saying. You be saying so kwaji dia wo ho so kwa advocate si yi Kotoka din free airport so na kwa nkruma de we ekasen aden ya so boy so boy ya be problem aden no mama ya so boy we so ama boy what be problem or advocate because boy no one numbers into your advocacy and you go to Kadin and free airport so what did that have to do with IshowSpeed in any way shape or form? And so boy we small boy wedding some who were Ghana Hanom. And I'm TikTok na me who video be or attack it you kind of saying back coffee on color proper Bastard boys.
Yeah, I've seen the video. I saw it today.
Now, what you know, advocacy. Who saw it now? Got prior 2 cities now. The proud car quantum frank and fast also. I you 300% when who come be an abbey James or advocate, no advocate, and on anything. Yes, so some who know Ghana had it. The boy is becoming a nuisance. In fact, men penasa na don't target president na me. I am president. Mahama nya wofa o. Mahama nya wofa. E no nya oyiri nua no wa beka se wakonta no no. No ko eyina wo na nim atwake toa bi. In fact, o yes post 2 days was a bibi na IshowSpeed buy no. Wotimi nya anan na oti wheelchair mu. Wotimi nya anan so ko jina independence person. Wo ba be advocacy si enkonkwa yikoto kadin na e wo ne yekoya advocacy. Any baby a chance be a baby obi wobenya some green a black sheep manako gugan anymore see I am the pass can say bodyguard for no blocking say I don't know
Rudy no Ghana ni
only movement no
Ralph once a wasama wo kan na akra wanya 3 years kwati ano wo sere asembe na wo kan ana asembe na asi Adaya IshowSpeed ba Ghana no. Osre na enka obetimi de. Ni 50 million followers. Ya kwezo followers pa o. 50 million followers no. Aye bibi amana enka na ni beje na odofo tie bibi kro. Wote kro abubefu. Bibi kro ne se onfa me emien change kotoka airport ni dini free kotoka. Nyemfa nko de. Nyemfa nko Ralph na. Ama obi ati asem ya no osere obi no ba be ye ni show no ebe di na agro obi no wo dia beto say onyusu ne platform kese no emfanye bibi me yen kutoka ade kutoka no wa asem na Ralph obi a wawu de ade kutoka menye show say obeto no na ade ni yen change ni de no Ralph boy no ne platform no any ba Ghana no menye sure say a political issue nti no de ba Ghana odofo ana Ralph asem na wo ka no me ensene mitirim ana me tekra so a esaye me fani na ye mesere ye nchenyi kotoka sei ye chenji ade na de bebre Ghana na ya nchenyi so ade na de bebre Ghana ye sori a ye prane ana ye sori ne ye prane a mamon fan sensem we me fan fa ye fichire o media no so kire me bokura odofo ope adwuma ya age number 0248820577 bosome 8500 eye mobile money adwuma e wo manso o ba o garanta kan ho ni aba behwe ni fi bibia kama ansana wa be share adwuma na se kire mebokura odofo mo follow page we entokwa hene backup exclusive GHI entokwa hene wadahoroma na wadahoroma mo follow emame kire mebokura de afu
na for na ye a very dark man e wo Ghana but ye dey very dark man we end up finding very black man just say wajimia motim se wontimene ni trimu no enes wa kanyansa samuama speed ewo over 50 million followers just on YouTube keke the other platform na wo stream wo so no kwade nyamaye enti ono no ade kronti okọ ni nyina ne say okope speed a platform no de akwakoye politics e de akwakoye campaign na umwa kwa advocate si en change kutoka edin no na kutoka din no se ye change a eno emfaso bay ena de bebre Ghana speed bedru Ghana from Akropon here to Accra was a for plane ena de mano edi ebentia a lot of traffic e kwan nye omu bedru ba bi kro omu ko traffic e wo kwan mu minim se bia kwase yi beka se anka me de ne platform ne ba advocate say empanyimfo no mumu mani nkọ Ghana kwan no ho because speed bedru ye kura won hwe kwan o de free Akropon ha ya de ba enye plane anka bedi ne 3 days kwan so minim se bibi sa na nkọ ba beka ho because imagine obi akwa bie factory Ewo the other side of a crop oba akra woni plana ni nkosua eye poultry farm enkokɔ ne nyina mu bewu ebesai enti ne kwan no omumie biem no omunye na kasa enye nyina no omunye ne nyina mfiri kwan no so menim sɛ bibi saa na kwan no so obegye platform de akwa advocate da bi okɔ advocate sɛ nku change kutokadin na America for no rade de odema ye ni o or kasa wiase se so a wonim so wakanyan sasem bia ma and speed no oba Ghana he was there for the personal interest na wo ade abaye ye kotutu na nado cathedral hwan national cathedral was it not for your own personal interest ade na wo ye no enye ho ka na de ma wa betena ha amanfo kasa ka no na nkoso de kasa yemfa mi adwuma ma wote asoma ka ye enye obi na bekyerɛw de wonfo sikanye but wie no usa be ka dum chedu ade ya usa wie ya usa be gina so say an na nko betimi ni say ye ni say this kana ye say wo de enye obi na bekyerɛw de wonfo sikanye ba wo kyerɛw bi de wonfo ni sikanye chale akwa we em so wa adwunu mu yare o I don't know what is wrong with this guy. Say all kono all monitor oba Ghana so be create content na wa maso be project Ghana ne content na wo create no enye Ghana na content na project Ghana anaso oba no oba so oba be story na wo kwase na nka de nam sana nko opo de na opanyina no na nko okunkun no nam here Ghana this is this here if you pass here sana nko ope when your opportunity nintin wakwa kwotana obiebie no ka kwase asem obo oye fight in wie no eni power flow ba no so wonku biem what the time na ye adwuma on top of that wa magana so ba be boxing. This brother has been on African tour. He don't sleep. Okrano, the world or that's when energy na no the movie no krano. Uyo obi anka beka say hey akọ energy o. Owie Ghana osaso fro different country. Mentally crying, he's drained wa bre. What ye would Jimmy Sam no and one would trim say ye may change kutokadi. How is it going to benefit Ghanaians? Say change kutokadi. Mudi ye say Jimmy say ya Jimmy. Esu ni tronu so no nyansa hu. Uto say wa Jimmy sa won't mean sa akwa we.
The word your mommy, comment section. I Penyah block video. Akra.